Hi there. Today I'm going to give you some little hints on GLP-1 medication so you'll know on your own journey. Some might help you, some might not. I'm Lori, and this is GLP-1 Journey in Review. First off, I want to thank one of my one of the people that I interviewed for this first tip. I've always wondered how to inject your arm on a compound, being able to just like stick it in your arm here. It's hard. I always thought, "Well, maybe you need a second person," but she showed me this trick and I want to pass it go along. Now, this will also work with a pillow, but if you put your arm up like this, that fat right here bulges over and you could stick your needle straight down like that. I tried that on my last shot. It worked great. Too soon to tell if injecting in the arm is any different than in the belly. I didn't like it in my leg. Main reason I don't have a lot of fat in there and it hurt and I really didn't feel much of anything like I injected water, which like I said, I don't have much fat. Maybe it didn't all go into the fat possibility. So that's trick number one. Trick number 2, a way to get some fiber in is these new prebiotic sodas. They do have a little bit of sugar, 30 calories. This particular one has actually a total of 5 grams of sugar, but it has 3 of fiber. Now I bought another brand. This one is Poppy, the lollipop, and I think that had between 5 and 7 grams of fiber. So to me, the 30 calories, getting all that fiber is worth it. Just my little opinion. I don't drink a lot of soda, so I'll just have those every once in a while. Sorry, got to readjust since I was doing that. Since light here, sorry. Since I was doing that demo. Another thing that I like to do with fiber and eating is I buy cut up fruit. Yes, it's a little bit more expensive, but one, it's a pretty big portion. You don't have to eat the whole thing, but it won't allow you to eat way too much, which you can do because the most you could have is that whole thing. I find it's easier. If I find it easier and quicker, I'm more prone to doing it. So that's how I buy my fruit and that's how I eat my fruit. I buy a package. I probably buy a 6 pack a week. 'Cause some of the ones like I buy some cut up mango sometimes that I'll only eat half of it because that does have a higher sugar content. And I don't always eat the whole serving. One day I might have this, one day I might have honeydew. There might be some left in both. So maybe the next day I'll mix the two. Another thing that I like to do is I've been getting addicted to prophies. Now, I used to, and I still do, like Starbucks shaken iced espresso, brown sugar espresso, and it does have a decent amount of calories. I think the large, which I get, grande, whatever they call it, I think it has about 200 calories. So instead, I buy this skinny mixes, 0 calories, 0 sugar. This one happens to be brown sugar and cinnamon, which right now is my favorite. And I pour, half an ounce or so. And then depending on how many calories I've had or I'm going to have, either I'll have some protein milk, but usually I'll have a protein shake over ice. And I find it here. I use this. And by the way, you get that on Amazon. I've also tried the raspberry, and they have many flavors. Then I buy this powdered espresso. Excuse me. And I find that this works really well over ice. Shake the whole thing, and I have my ice prophy. And depending on what size cup I have, it usually takes pretty much the whole thing of a protein shake. Or like I said, if I feel that I've just had way too much calories, or I really know that I've had a decent amount of protein, I'll use a protein milk instead because it's a little bit less calories. So those are some of my finds. I also didn't bring it in here, but there's what's called greenies. You can buy them in either tablets or a powdered mix. And what that does is it has the same amount of vitamins as 12 servings of broccoli or cauliflower and things like that. And the tablets, you just drop them in a little bit of water. They fizz up a bit. It takes about 3, 4 minutes for it to dissolve, or you could buy the powder, which dissolves right away. And I think it's got 20 or 30 calories in that also, but it does give you all the nutrition of 18 servings of vegetables and 6 or 7 of servings of vitamin C and so forth. Another big thing that I've done is, especially since I've started my second channel, which is called Did You See the Show, by the way, in case you want to check it out. It's about TV shows, my reviews, histories, and so forth. But because I work 4 to 5, 13, 14-hour days and then have to do the videos for the 2 channels and the editing and so forth, I get tired. Now I've decided I'm going to get at least 7 hours of sleep a night. So I do, but sometimes I'm still tired. So I ordered, yes, and this is back. I got this from Ochi, but there are other providers that do this. And let me show it to you. It is NAD plus or just NAD. It is a subcutaneous injection, and the dose is supposed to be 50 a week, 50 units. And I only use half of that, so 25, and I do that twice a week, so that's 12 and a half, 12 and a half. And I do that on Sundays and Wednesdays. When I first got it, I did it on my shot day, and I just don't really want to give myself 2 shots on the same day if I don't have to. So I changed it to Sunday and Wednesday because I take my shot on Saturday. And the amount of energy and more focus, I don't feel like naps all the time like I used to. Yeah, I think for me, the stuff works and I'm only using for the week. So I think it was like it'll last me 2 months. So at $50 a month, I find it worth it. It's almost the prices if I would have gone to Starbucks and actually gotten the ice shake and espresso. But this is the injection. And again, I also found that my focus is a little bit better. I know there's lots of videos on it. I've only been using this now for 3 weeks, so I'm not a long-term user. Hopefully, I will be. I'm going to continue to see how it is. They say that you could actually take really high amounts of this stuff and it won't harm you. It's not like you could overdose on it. Because I think when I talked to the telehealth doctor, he told me if this doesn't work well, he could like double the dose. And he said I could probably take it up to 3 to 4 times a week, and that's actually full dose, which I only take half dose twice a week. And again, this is a lower strength. So for me, I find that helps. Hopefully, you found some of these hints useful. So these are my little hints and little tricks so far on GLP-1 medication. Let me know in the comments if you've tried any of them. I also use a vibration plate. I think that helps post-exercising because it just helps drain your lymphatic system. I don't think it does too much as far as actually burning calories, or some people claim that it's like exercise in itself. I think it may help a little bit with balance and with blood flow, but it also helps drain your lymphatic system, which is a hard thing to do. Again, these are my tips and tricks. Put down in the comments what yours are. That's it. Have a good day.